So the course I'm teaching is called Genocide in the Modern World. The topic is really important because genocide continues to be a part of our collective lives, a part of our history, but also, unfortunately, part of the present. Large-scale mass atrocities and violence are unlikely to end anytime soon, so it's imperative that we understand the processes that lead to genocide in order to be able to prevent it or stop it in the future. So the big questions are, first of all, what leads to genocide? Understanding escalation like dehumanization, hatred towards minority groups, the ways that political and economic crises can exacerbate violence. But in addition to this, we think about other big questions like responsibility. What does it mean for people or society or individuals to be responsible for such heinous acts? In addition to this, we think about the nature of bystandership. What does it mean for people to be neither perpetrators nor victims, but nevertheless through their inaction, they can facilitate the commission of these terrible harms? I hope ultimately that students take away from it a better understanding of the complexity of modern political and social life, but also how quickly you can see tipping points that lead people away from just indifference towards others, towards intolerance or even really deep-seated hatred towards others, and how these are important indicators that we should all be aware of and really treat as warning signs of possible violence in the future. So I see it as a way of cultivating a sense of ethical awareness and a kind of attention to our fellow human beings. I think what is particularly interesting about this course is that it brings together not only political science and peace studies, but it also draws on a number of other disciplines. So it draws on anthropology, on sociology, on psychology, as well as various strands of the humanities, including philosophy and even theology, so questions of ethics and morals. It's a really interesting space to bring together students from different backgrounds who are motivated to examine some of the most pressing moral issues that we have in the world today. All of these historical phenomena are caused by humans. And because of that, they can be changed. We can be different. I'm drawn to teach this kind of material because I believe that with sufficient knowledge and sufficient understanding, but also sufficient political activism and political organization, we can make the world a better place for us or for our children or for future generations. I really strongly encourage you to consider taking this class. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to discuss this course, Genocide in the Modern World.